Trapezoid.
Anong basa dyan?
Trapezoid.
Very good. What's that? What do you call that?
Diamond.
Diamond? Hindi siya rhombus.
Rainbows.
Rhombus. Very good.
Dog.
Dog?
Circle.
Circle. So, where's the circle?
Yan.
Very good.
Pentagon.
Hindi, tapos na yung pentagon eh. That's what you call hexagon.
Heart shape.
Heart shape. Very good.
Swirl.
Square. Wow, very good. Okay, next page. Wow, okay. You will put it on the corresponding color, okay? Oh, you will put it on the corresponding color. You put it in the color red, on the line of the color red. Or where's the color red? Oh. Where's the apple red? No, you put it inside. Inside the box like this. Yeah, that's color red.
It's yung star.
Yun,
Star.
star. Where's the red star? You put it on the line of the red.
Yan.
Red. Where's the column of the red? You put it on the row. Yan, very good.
What's this?
Yeah.
Put it yan. Very good.
Very good.
What's this?
Next.
Very good. Star.
But you star na red. Okay.
Put
That's
it
yellow eh.
yellow star.
This is the line of orange. Oh. This is not orange. This is not orange. This is color yellow. So you need to put it here. Yellow. That's color yellow.
Green. Green.
Green.
Green star.
Green star.
Green apple.
Green apple.
Wheel. Winter dove.
Very good naman yan. Oh, next. Next page. So, what's the next page? Oh. Wow, ang galing na. Alam na kagad without instruction.
Stones.
Yeah, you don't need instructions.
Stones. Yay!
You don't need instructions. Very good ka na dyan.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, next. Oh, where will you put the green one?
Red one.
No, the green one naman.
But was the red one? Yun, red.
Tingin. Oh, you put it in the red. Oh, where's the another red one? Oh, where's the yellow? There's still no yellow, oh.
Yellow.
Yellow. Put it in the yellow.
Yes.
Very good. Next.
Yellow.
Yellow. Next.
Yellow. Yes.
Yellow hat. Very good. Next.
Green one.
The green one. What's that?
Green umbrella.
Green umbrella. Very good. Next.
Green electric fan.
Green electric fan. Very good. Next.
Green bag.
Green bag. Very good, LA.
Green.
Green.
Watery.
What's that? What do you call that? That's green 3.
Green
3.
socks.
No, that's a blue one.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue
Blue
socks.
socks. Very good, LA. What's that?
Blue dede.
Blue dede. Blue dede. Very good, blue dede. And that one?
Red scissors.
Red scissor. Very good, LA. Next page, next page.
Kakainin ko na.
Mamaya na, saglit lang.
Ha?
Mamaya na, saglit lang.
Sige, baba. Ikaw magpakain.
Bababa ko na lang.
Parang gutom mo.
Oh, put it in the fruits. What's that?
Red apple.
Red apple.
Very
good.
Red.
Anay.
Bumila ko ng linaga eh.
Yellow lemon.
Yellow lemon. Very good. Yellow lemon. Next.
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Next.
Purple.
Purple.
Purple. Purple.
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Talong.
Talon.
Talong.
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Very good.
What's this?
What's this? What's that?
Red strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, next one.
Green broccoli.
What's that? Green broccoli. Very good. What's that?
Green watermelon.
Green watermelon. Very good. Yay!
Corn.
Corn. That's
Very
that's
good.
nice. Next page. Okay, put it in the color and then the number.
Red.
Red. And what number is that?
1.
1. Very good. You put it in the number 1. Very good.
What's orange?
That's
Oh,
orange.
Orange.
Orange. Spell orange.
O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
Orange.
2.
2. Very good.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow number
3.
3.
Green.
Green. Oh,
Yes.
what shape is that? What shape is that?
4.
4. What shape is this?
Green.
Green, semi,
Circle.
circle. Very
4.
good.
4.
4. And then the
Blue.
blue one. What shape is that?
Oblong.
Oblong.
Blue.
Number
5.
5.
Yes.
What color is that?
Purple.
Purple. What shape is that?
Triangle.
Triangle. Very good. What number is that?
6.
6. Very good. Next.
Heart pink.
Heart pink. Very good. What number is that?
7.
7.
Black.
Black.
Hexagon.
Huh? Hexagon. Are you sure? What's that hexagon?
Hexagon.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Black.
Black. What color is that?
8.
Number
8.
8. Very good.
What's this?
Next.
1,
1.
2,
Ano to? Huh? What animal is this?
2.
What animal is this?
1, 2,
1.
and 2.
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
This one.
2.
That's. What's
Duck.
this? Duck. 3. What
3.
animal is that? That's
3.
reindeer ba yan?
Twinder.
Reindeer.
Twinder.
Okay.
4.
4.
Yes.
Hindi ko alam yan, anak. Oh. Ano next? Next. What number is that?
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
0.
0. Very good. Next page. Oh, ang dami. Baliktad. Okay. Oh. What's that? Wow. Oh. What is the
Hey.
designated color?
8. What?
A truck. Wow.
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Very good. Next. B?
B.
B? What's that B?
Excavator.
Excavator. Very good. Next.
C.
C. C?
School bus.
School bus. Very good.
D.
D?
D.
D?
Dump truck.
Huh? Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Very good.
E.
E.
Crystal. Crystal.
Police car. Very good.
F.
F. Where's the F?
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
And we have G.
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 Very good.
It's
H.
eight.
H. H.
Very good.
Very good.
What's
Wow.
two?
Oh, what's that?
Broccoli. Put it there.
Broccoli. Oh, put it in the broccoli.
Yes.
Yes.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yeah. Yoo-hoo. What's next?
What's next?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Where's the strawberry?
Yun. Yay.
Very good.
Corn.
Corn. Next.
Dot.
Huh?
Dot. Dot. Dot.
What's that?
Dot. Dot.
Let me see.
Dot.
That's dad. What's that? Okay,
Dot.
next.
Dot. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes. Elephant. Elephant.
Elder.
Plant.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Put it the eggplant.
Oh, put it in the eggplant.
This one, eggplant.
Opo, eggplant.
Eggplant.
Okay, very good. Kaso wala na. On next page na. Next page. Next page. Put it in the next page.
Ito, this one.
Mm-mm.
Oh, we have hat.
Hat. Very good.
Hat.
Hat.
Very good.
Very good.
What's this?
That's a... What's this?
Monday.
What do you call this?
Monday.
Oh, there's no...
12.
You just put it here. You
That's
just put it
12.
here. No, just put it here. Oh. What's this? This is Monday.
Monday.
This one.
Thursday.
This one.
Wednesday.
This one.
Thursday.
This one.
Friday.
This one.
Saturday.
This one.
Sunday.
Very good.
Monday.
Oh, you put it here. It's Monday today. No, it's already Wednesday today. Put it in the Wednesday. Put it in the Wednesday. It's Wednesday today.
Yan. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Put it the Tuesday.
Thursday.
Thursday. What I say Thursday?
Oh, put it in the Thursday.
This one.
Okay.
Good.
Come on. Oh, go, go, go. Ano na next? Diba? Oh,
Oh.
very good. Next na. Next page. What's that next page? Oh, next page. 5. Okay. Wow, that's a puzzle.
What I see puzzle.
Oh.
What I see puzzle.
O, tanggalin mo lahat, then buuhin mo. Next. O, buuhin mo.
Put it there.
Put it there. Come on.
Put it there.
Oh, put it there.
Put it there.
Put it there. Come on.
Put it there.
Mm-mm.
Put it there.
Oh, tanggal mo. Tanggal mo. Oh. Sige nga, ikaw na. Oh.
Very good.
Very good.
What's this?
What's this? That's... What's that? That's... Oh.
Oh.
Okay, very good.
Put
Next.
it there.
Oh. Ano next?
Oh. Oh, diba?
Oh, diba?
Put it there.
Next. Oh, saan yan?
Put it there.
Oh, saan?
This
Where?
one.
Here.
Hmm.
Ay, baliktad.
Ito.
Oo.
Yay.
Yan. Very good. Next.
Very good.
Oh, next. Next.
Put it there.
Oh, sige na. Hindi siya mag-aayos. Oh, next. What's next?
What I?
Opo. Next. The last one. The last piece. Where's the last piece? Very good. Yay. Oh, next.
It's
Another
the
one.
head.
What? The head.
The head.
Next. Next one.
Put it there.
Put it there. Yan ba yon?
This one.
Apo.
Oh,
Wow. Very good. Oh, next. Basic. Okay, next. Next.
put what I dito.
Apo. Oh, next.
What I
Oh, next. Where did you put that?
put
Where will you put that
that.
one? Okay, this one.
This one.
Baliktad.
Ito.
Ay, hindi. Ay, hindi alam. Ay, hindi yan dyan. Dito yan, oh. Oh. Oh, diba? Oh, another one. Where's the last piece?
You was put the was piece is put it there. Oh,
Very good. Okay. Done. Oh, next. The last one. Where's the last one? Dito. Saan
what
ba?
are this one?
Where's the head? Where's the head?
Yun.
Good. Next.
What's the head?
Ayan.
Very
good.
Very good.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Next. Next page.
Wow. Danda.
Ganda.
Danda.
Lilipat mo siya dito.
Waday.
Yeah.
Waday
You
dito.
will put it here.
Ito, put it here.
Opo.
Put it.
Put it here. Put it here. Here. Ayusin mo siya lahat. Okay.
Ito, wheels. Oh.
Ayusin mo.
Waday.
Lagay. Next.
Waday this one. Waday.
Oo.
Yan, very good. Ito. Put it there. Oh, very good.
Very good. Okay, next.
Waday.
Next.
Yan. Very good.
Very good. O sige, lagay mo lang. Ako balang mag-ayos.
Waday.
Opo.
Waday. Waday. Waday this one. Waday this one.
Okay, next.
10 hours.
Next.
10 hours.
Ay, hindi naman yun dyan.
Ito, this one.
Ha? No. Mali. Mali. Mali.
Ito, this one.
Mali yan.
Ito,
Hanap mo kung
put
nasaan.
it there.
Ay, hindi na very good.
Put it there. Put it there. Yan.
Tingin? Mali.
Put it there. Put it there.
Mali. Mali yan. Oh, where's the other one? Hanap mo muna. Come on. Very good. Next. Okay. Good. Next. Okay, next one.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Okay, next
Very
one.
good. Ito, this one.
Oh, where? Oh, wow. Very good. Okay, next.
Ay, galing.
Binasic din.
Basic lang sa mga class.
So, danda.
Pogi.
Pogi. Pogi si LA. Very
Pwede
good.
si L.A.D. danda.
Next.
Ay, last one na.
Ay.
Ay, favorite na favorite LA yan eh. Kahit nakapikit, kayang-kaya niya yan eh. Araw-araw niya ginagawa sa kabila yan eh. Diamond! Sabihin pa niya. Triangle!
Oh.
Sabi niya siguro sa basic. Wala bang mahirap? Next.
Square.
Square.
Triangle. Big triangle. Kahit walang ano eh, walang guide eh. Kayang-kaya nila yan eh. Ay, mawi. Big triangle.
Small triangle.
Small triangle. Last one.
Last one. Very good. Yay! Wala na. Done na. Very